Bookkeeping and accounting are two words that often intimidate beginners. Many new entrepreneurs, freelancers, or small business owners assume they need a degree in finance to understand how money flows through their business. The truth is, bookkeeping and accounting are not as complicated as they appear. In fact, with the right tools, anyone can manage their finances, track income and expenses, and prepare for taxes without feeling overwhelmed. In 2025, digital tools have made bookkeeping simple, affordable, and even enjoyable once you see how clearly they reveal the story of your business. Today, let us explore the best simple bookkeeping and accounting tools for beginners and how you can use them to get your finances in order. The first thing to understand is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is the daily recording of financial transactions, money in and money out. Accounting is the broader process of analyzing those numbers, preparing financial reports, and ensuring compliance with taxes. Both are important, but bookkeeping is the foundation. Without good records, accounting becomes impossible. Beginners should start with tools that make recording transactions easy and automate as much as possible. One of the simplest tools for beginners is Wave Accounting. Wave is completely free, which is rare in the accounting software world. It allows you to track income and expenses, send professional invoices, and even scan receipts. For a beginner, the free features are more than enough to get started. You connect your bank account, and Wave automatically pulls in transactions so you can categorize them. This saves hours of manual entry. Many freelancers and small businesses love Wave because it is simple, intuitive, and does not overwhelm you with advanced features you might not need at the start. Another excellent beginner-friendly tool is FreshBooks. FreshBooks is especially popular with freelancers and service-based businesses because of its invoicing power. You can create branded invoices, track when clients view them, and even accept online payments. What makes FreshBooks simple is its clean interface and focus on essentials. It handles expenses, time tracking, and financial reports without drowning you in complexity. As your business grows, FreshBooks also scales well with more advanced features, making it a long-term option. Of course, you cannot talk about bookkeeping without mentioning QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks is one of the most widely used accounting platforms worldwide, and while it has advanced features, it also has plans for beginners. The advantage of QuickBooks is that it is widely supported. If you ever hire an accountant, chances are they already use QuickBooks and can jump right in. For beginners, QuickBooks handles bank syncing, expense tracking, invoices, and tax prep. It may take a little learning at first, but its popularity means there are countless tutorials, making it easier to get started. If you prefer something very simple, Excel or Google Sheets can still be a great option. Spreadsheets allow you to customize exactly what you need: income, expenses, profit, and cash flow. For absolute beginners, starting with a spreadsheet helps you understand how money moves in your business before you invest in software. You can use free templates available online for bookkeeping, which already include formulas for totals and profit calculations. While spreadsheets require more manual entry, they are still a powerful way to learn the basics and track everything in a straightforward manner. Now let us look at Zoho Books, another excellent beginner tool. Zoho is known for offering affordable, simple solutions, and Zoho Books is no different. It covers invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and even project management for service businesses. Beginners like it because it integrates easily with other Zoho apps, such as CRM or inventory if you grow into them later. Zoho Books also has a free plan for businesses under a certain revenue threshold, which makes it accessible to startups. Xero is another tool that deserves attention. It is user-friendly, cloud-based, and designed for small businesses. One of Xero's strengths is its dashboard, which gives you a clear picture of your cash flow at a glance. Beginners often struggle to understand cash flow, but Xero's visuals make it easy. It also integrates with over 1,000 apps, which means you can connect it to whatever tools you already use. While not free, Xero is affordable and popular for businesses ready to step up from spreadsheets. A tool that is becoming more popular in 2025 is Cashew. Cashew is made for simplicity. It is perfect for solopreneurs and beginners who want no-frills bookkeeping. It automates expense categorization, bank feeds, and invoicing without unnecessary extras. The design is minimal, so you are not overwhelmed by choices. For someone just starting, Cashew removes the noise and focuses on what really matters: income, expenses, and reports. Another option that beginners might find useful is SlickPie. SlickPie is cloud-based and very simple to use, offering features like online invoicing, expense management, and financial reporting. One unique aspect is its built-in MagicBot, which automatically pulls data from receipts and categorizes them. This makes bookkeeping less of a chore and reduces manual work. SlickPie is great for beginners who want automation without paying for high-end software. Now, beyond specific tools, let us talk about features beginners should look for when choosing a bookkeeping tool. First is automation. The less manual data entry you have to do, the better. Bank syncing, receipt scanning, and auto-categorization save time and prevent errors. Second is invoicing. Being able to create professional invoices quickly helps you get paid faster. Third is reporting. Simple profit and loss reports or cash flow statements are essential for understanding how your business is performing. Finally, tax support is crucial. A good tool will make it easier to prepare for taxes by organizing income and expenses properly. Let us also highlight the importance of mobile apps. Many beginners run their side hustles or businesses on the go. Having a mobile app lets you snap pictures of receipts, send invoices, or check balances anywhere. Most modern tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Xero have strong mobile apps, making them practical for busy entrepreneurs. Of course, tools alone are not enough. You need habits. Set aside a specific time each week to update your books. Even 20 minutes can make a difference. If you let transactions pile up, bookkeeping feels overwhelming. But if you do it regularly with the help of these tools, it becomes second nature. Consistency is what turns data into useful insights. Another tip is to separate your personal and business finances. Even if you are a freelancer or side hustler, having a separate bank account makes bookkeeping much easier. Every tool works better when your business transactions are not mixed with personal spending. This one step alone saves hours of categorization and confusion later. As you grow, you might want to integrate your bookkeeping tool with other apps. For example, connecting Shopify to QuickBooks for e-commerce or linking PayPal and Stripe to FreshBooks. These integrations save time and reduce mistakes because data flows automatically instead of requiring manual entry. Beginners might not need integrations at first, but they are powerful as you scale. Some people worry about the cost of bookkeeping software. While some are free, others charge monthly fees. The truth is that even paying $20 to $30 per month is worth it when you consider the time saved, the reduction in errors, and the peace of mind during tax season. Think of it as an investment in keeping your business healthy. In 2025, many tools also use artificial intelligence to make bookkeeping smarter. AI can predict categories, flag unusual transactions, or remind you of upcoming bills. These small features make a big difference for beginners who might overlook details. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you avoid common mistakes and keep your books cleaner with less effort. Another important point is security. Since you connect your bank accounts to these tools, always choose reputable platforms with strong security measures. QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Xero, and Wave all use bank-level encryption, which means your data is safe. Beginners sometimes hesitate to connect accounts, but it is actually more secure than manually tracking in unsecured spreadsheets on your computer. For absolute beginners who feel nervous, start simple. Use Wave or a spreadsheet. Learn how to record income and expenses. Once you are comfortable, move to something more advanced like QuickBooks or Xero. This step-by-step approach keeps you from feeling overwhelmed and builds your confidence. Some people also combine tools. For instance, they may use Google Sheets for quick daily tracking and then upload that data into QuickBooks for reports. Or they use a receipt scanner app alongside FreshBooks. There is no single right way. The best system is the one you will actually use consistently. Finally, remember that bookkeeping is not just for compliance. It is a habit that helps you grow. When you understand your numbers, you stop guessing. You know exactly how much you can invest, what services are most profitable, and where money is leaking out. Beginners who embrace bookkeeping early build businesses on solid ground. So, the best simple bookkeeping and accounting tools for beginners in 2025 include Wave for free and easy entry, FreshBooks for freelancers, QuickBooks Online for long-term scalability, spreadsheets for learning, Zoho Books for affordability, Xero for small businesses, Cashew for simplicity, and SlickPie for automation. Each tool offers unique strengths, but all of them are designed to make your financial journey smoother. The bottom line is this: do not let bookkeeping scare you. With today's tools, anyone can manage their business finances, no matter how small. It is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent and building habits that keep your business healthy. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into bookkeeping tools for beginners. If you found this helpful and want more clear, simple guides on running and growing your business, make sure to subscribe to our channel Success Lens, where we turn complicated topics into easy steps for your success.